Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors, and today I want to tell you about an exciting opportunity for all MG owners that live in the southeast quadrant of the United States. So we're going to have a technical seminar at Glenn's MG service on Saturday, February 22nd, 2025. So if you're looking at this a year from now, hey, you missed it. But if you're looking at it in time, you can call Gail, who's Glenn's wife, I get that right, and because she runs the office and she'll be happy to take your information. So this is going to be all day, Saturday, February 22nd, 2025 in St. Petersburg, Florida. So if you're from Florida, if you're from Georgia, Alabama, come on down, have a good time. Get on an airplane from New Hampshire and fly on down. It's warm. Well, it wasn't last week. I guess I don't think it snowed at Glenn's, but it got pretty cold down there. Anyway, we're going to talk about MG maintenance. So come on over. Let me just show you kind of what we're going to talk about. Overall, and that is not the tune-up. That's another seminar. This is maintenance. This is maintenance of your wheels and tires, of your brakes, of your front wheel bearings, your front shocks, your front suspension, your seats, your seat slides, your top bows, your battery, your electrics, all the stuff that makes driving the car fun when it's all working. But like with everything, on an MG, everything needs maintenance. And if you maintain it correctly, you're going to have a really great driving experience. So again, Saturday, let me get that right, Saturday, March 22nd, February, thank you, February 22nd, 2025, Glenn's MG service. And to reach Glenn, I need my cheat sheet here. It's you can look him up on the web, Glenn's MG service, 727-521-9890. So call Gail, get your reservation. Last year we did a seminar. We had about 15 people there. It was just great. It was cold. Everybody was bundled up except me, who from Michigan was wearing a short sleeve shirt, of course. Anyway, I'll look forward to seeing as many of you who can get that weekend freed up and come on down. So until then, safety fast.